So I'm leaving Georgia today, heading to the border with Turkey just now.
Assalamu alaikum.
Left me in Turkey, country number 7, I think. China, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Azerbaijan, Georgia. Yeah, 7. Country number 7. First night in Turkey. I'm staying at Mustafa's Cafe in Riza. There's this little upstairs like section of his cafe. The dude's really into cycling, like crazy about bikes. Got like a few medals and stuff and trophies downstairs from like races he's won. He's a really cool guy. But yeah, he's let me stay in the kind of upstairs section of his cafe. So I'm just gonna set up my sleeping mat and sleeping bag and stuff just now. Are they still there? Yep, they're still there. Ah! These dogs are friendly dogs. They're just playing. They're not trying to eat me. They're quite happy. They're just running alongside. Here we go. Merry Christmas to me. Last night I got myself a hotel and just watched like Cutest Countdown and QI Christmas specials. So that was quite festive. And then yeah, just keep on cycling. Keep on cycling. Conditions are absolutely brutal today. I don't even know if this camera's waterproof. I hope it is. Never in my life have I been happier to find a tunnel. A 4-kilometer long tunnel. The only problem is now the noise. There's like a pavement that I can ride on in and out of the horrible weather. Now I just need to put up with the noise. We've got a nice little break in the weather today. So that's me back on the road. I'm going to try and do about 100 kilometers today. But it's the last big city before Istanbul, and I think I'm going to need to just take a bus or something to get to Istanbul for New Year. So I made it to Istanbul. Despite riding for Christmas, being sick, pouring rain, I was never going to make it on time because Maikhanh arrives today. day, like a few hours. So I had to jump on the bus for the last couple hundred kilometers so that I would get here for Maikhanh arriving today.